Well, hello and welcome back to another RV walkthrough. My name, as always, is Taylor Quayle. We're here at Podata RV Center in Tucson, Arizona. And this is my first video back after my little vacation, and we're going to look at a 2016 Winnebago Winne Drop WD1780. Now, it's a 17-foot house. We'll get the overall length on my spec sheets inside. 3,800 pounds GVWR, which is really nice about this coach. Super light, can be towed by a half ton or even some of those kind of smaller trucks if possible. First up on the exterior, we got a battery disconnect and then a decent little storage. Not a full pass-through. You do have an additional storage in the back for a pass-through. There are some sway bars in there, an equalizer hitch that does not come with it, but you can purchase that separately. One of the options for this coach or for this trailer was a awning. They did not go with that option. Right here at the entry door, you got a manual step you just push in. And then, of course, your assist handle. Now, when this thing first came in, it needed a really good buff and wax, and that color actually came back, but your decals, your stickers, they are starting to crack, especially the white ones are starting to peel a good amount. You can see right there. And you'll see that pretty much throughout this coach. But the actual base red coat came back to life pretty nicely. Now, first up, single axle, and we are looking at 2815 on the date code. 28th week of 2015. Now, we just took this in on trade a couple days back too. So all we did was give it a bath. You see a couple external speakers right there. Oh, tank flush. That was an option right there, was a black tank flush. So we'll have to go highlight that on my spec sheet. And then that other kind of storage area I was mentioning is located in the rear, and that is a full pass-through with the little extra storage right there. So actually, more storage than most trailers come with. Got an AC unit on top, should be a 13,500 BTU output. You did have a Winnebago logo right there. As you can see, it's still there. It's just super discolored and you can't read anything it said. Now, kind of a teardrop style trailer, but still a little bit bigger. It does come with the slide. You'll see the slide topper there will be replaced. We got fabric on order. Your leveling system is just your kind of manual levelers, but you can see also a spare tire under there, which is nice. Lots of windows on this coach. Atwood water heater right there, and we got potable water, cable connection down below, and then your 30 amp power service. Sewer tank is right there, right behind the axle. A little low to the floor, but most of these trailers are. Another option was that external shower. Surprisingly enough, didn't come standard, so it was an option. Got the vents for the refrigerator. Gear driven slide. I'd show you the weight tag, but it's sun rotted off. See the rest of those decals right there. Looks like a little sewer storage right there. Manual hitch, small little propane. Battery. Quick, easy, that's the exterior. Let's jump inside. Like I said, you got that one step. It does have a little screen door. You're greeted with that slide right out the gate. And then to the right, you got your front dinette. It's gonna be a little loud in here with that AC. It's already getting hot in Tucson. And then right when you walk into the left, slide controls, tank level testers, Jensen multimedia device, Vizio TV, and some storage, and then your breaker box down below. Here's your bed, 3 windows around it, and then it's a wet bath. It's a little vent, okay, your little baby kind of corner sink. See, drain down below with the bathroom or the toilet also in here. Not bad. I do wish it was a dry bath, but I understand the size. You kind of get stuck with what's available. So this dinette, U-shaped dinette, will turn into a sleeper. While we're here, let's check out some printouts. 13,995, 3,800 pounds loaded, 20 feet 4 inches from tip to tip. Now, why buy the mini drop? Here's some of those key features. Pause that. Now, black tank flush right there does have that. We just saw that. Not many options for this coach. Your actual floor plan is that guy right there, WD1780. And some of your tank sizes, weights, measurements, things like that, all right there. All right, so let's get this walkthrough going. Local TV antenna on the top. AC is not ducted, so it is all coming out direct from that unit. It does have a couple vent shuts and quick releases, which is nice, but try to keep that out of the way of the camera. Looks like you got a mount for this TV. You can pull that out and angle it a little bit better. I don't know if you can. We're gonna find out. Yeah, it ain't gonna be good enough to see in the bedroom. Well, you can extend it out and give yourself a little bit better viewing angle for that dinette. But bedroom viewers, gonna have to mount another one. Bedroom's kind of cool. I mean, it's completely in the same area as everything else, but you got some storage down below, which is nice. Power connection just to the right. And then, I don't know the size of the bed. Looks to be like a short queen or equivalent. Obviously not a walk around. Whoever sleeps on the far side, hopefully you only pee once before you go to bed. And then, your wet bath, like I said. Just a little bit of wallpaper wrinkling here. Solid throughout, not water damage. A baby seat in there, and got to replace a couple handles, as you can see. But still not bad. I mean, honestly, a pretty good floor plan for what it is. This slide out there to there, not super deep, only about a foot, maybe a little bit more. High point microwave up above is a convection, and then your Dometic refrigerator slash, dorm room freezer. Moving over to the left, 2-burner Outwood stove top. Single bay sink, but decent size for the size of the unit. One single cabinet up top, does go left, does go a little right. And then some more storage here. That was pretty quick, right? All right, let's get the slide in really quick, show you what that looks like. We'll get you on your way. All right, that slide is in. And as you can see, really all that changes is the width of the hallway. Still very, very accessible. Bed, bathroom door fully opens. And then nothing changes. Kind of, I guess, maybe a little bit of walkability right there, but nothing else changes in the dinette area. Let's see how she looks from the outside, closed up. Well, what a surprise. I forgot to close compartments. I'll be right back. All right, there's that slide fully in. See that slide topper. And then I forgot to point out, got a little propane connection right there. And this side isn't gonna look any different because there is no slide out, minus that assist handle and the step. We are in almost pretty much ready for travel mode, minus those jacks. I'm gonna leave all my contact info on the screen and down below in the description box. If you have any interest in this unit, you are welcome to reach out to me. Or if you just have any questions in general, use some of my time. I got a lot of it. Hopefully you enjoyed. If you did, subscribe. I do these videos all the time. And every used RV I get on the lot, I try to shoot. So good place to see different makes and models. But thanks for viewing. Hope you guys have a great day.